PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert commercial HVAC in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, delivering reliable heating, cooling, and ventilation solutions for businesses of all sizes. Our experienced technicians handle system installations, maintenance, repairs, and performance optimization to keep your commercial space comfortable and efficient year-round. We focus on energy efficiency, proper airflow, and indoor air quality to support a productive work environment. Whether you operate an office, retail space, or industrial facility, we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable commercial HVAC services that ensure long-lasting performance and comfort. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What types of commercial HVAC systems are commonly used? Common systems include rooftop units, split systems, and packaged HVAC systems. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania works with various commercial HVAC systems to provide tailored solutions based on building size and operational needs. How long does commercial HVAC installation take? The timeline for commercial HVAC installation in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania depends on the size of the building, system complexity, and project requirements. Smaller installations may take a few days, while larger commercial projects can take several days or longer to complete. What is your service office for commercial HVAC Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? Our local commercial HVAC Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadsford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/